Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the explanation of desert animal from paragraph number 8. Another animal which lives in the desert is the camel. Camels were the first domesticated by people many thousands of years ago. So one more, like another animal which we can found apart from mongoose is your camel. Camel is a very common animal which we can find in desert. It is very common and you can find it easily in desert. Earlier camels used to be domesticated. They were kept at homes also thousands of years ago. In the wild, camels usually live in small groups of up to 30 animals. Camels have long shaggy winter coats to keep warm and shorter tidier coats in summer to keep cool. So camels have long coats, long shaggy winter coats to keep themselves warm during the winter, and during the summers they have short coats to keep them cool. A thirsty camel can drink as much as 30 gallons of water. So a thirsty camel can drink 30 gallons of water in a time. That's about 500 full glasses. So 30 gallon means 500 full glasses of water a thirsty camel can drink at a time in just 10 minutes. Normally, however, it's all the moisture it needs from the desert plants and can survive for up to 10 months without drinking any water at all. So normally it gets all the moisture from the plants which they eat. Camel gets lots of moisture from the desert plants which they eat, and they retain that moisture in their body, and they can survive without drinking for almost 10 months. There are two different kinds of camels. One known as dromedary, which has single hump. So there are two types of camel. One is known as dromedary, which has single hump, and other is known as Bactrian camel, which has two humps. So dromedary has one hump and Bactrian camel has two humps. The humps help the animal to survive in the desert. So these humps which they have in their body help them to survive in the desert. It acts as a storage container. So these humps act as a storage container. But they don't store water. These humps don't store water in it. It is wrongly believed that the humps are used to store water, but it's not like that. They store fat. They store fat in it. This fat nourishes the camel when food is scarce. So they use these fat to nourishes their body when they have nothing to eat. Their humps shrink as the fat is used up. So these fat is used to survive when they have nothing to eat. There are many other ways in which camels are adapted to desert life. So there are many ways in which the camels are adapted. They are adapted to live in the desert. Their mouths are so tough that even the sharp thorn cannot pierce through. So their mouths are so tough that even they eat cactus, it won't pierce their mouth, because their mouths are so tough that even they eat cactus, nothing will happen to them. So there are different ways in which camels can survive in the desert. First is they have hump which store fat, and second is their mouth. Okay, thank you.